Hi, I'm Naresh Garg, founder of New Life Structures. So today we'll discuss about one of our esteemed project which we have done in USA. That was a steel building which we have sent from India to USA. That building is a two-story building which we fabricated in India, sent by ship to USA, erected there, commissioned there. Our client, they approached us that we want to make a building there, a steel building. That company is into real estate in US. So somewhere they came to know that we can do that, and they came to us, boss, we want to make this building and these are the specifications. We studied that plans and done a structure design for them. All the structure design is done by us because that project was going to be executed in US. So it was mandatory that all the drawings and design should get vetted from the US authority. So we submitted all the calculations, drawings to them. They got checked all the drawings in US, their proof engineer. They stamped on our drawings, and after getting permission that final, okay, fine, these are the final structure drawings made by you are fine, now you can proceed ahead. So we have done all the coordination for them, then started the material fabrication. During fabrication itself, they sent one engineer from there. They checked all our material, all the specification, all the weldings, everything. After checking, they sent a certification that okay, fine, your material is fine and good to go. At the port itself, they tested all the material, they checked everything, then they sent that material to site. During that portion, I wanted to share you that all the material which I have sent from here to US, that was not only steel, all the steel formwork also, the shuttering, formwork material we sent from India. Even the rebars, we call them reinforcement, even the rebars we made, we bent all the reinforcement here, bent all the rebar and make cages and sent the cages also there, so that the very less labor get involved in US. That was the idea behind that. We want to reduce the cost of labor, we wanted to reduce the effort, reduce the time of execution. So we sent fabricated material, we sent rebar, we sent shuttering material, formwork. They hired one agency in US, and our job was to supply material, our job was to coordinate everything. And you will be happy or you will be astonished to see that the cost of the project, we have done their project in only 40% of their estimated cost. That is the New Life strength. We reduce the tonnage. Our steel is cheaper than US. Our labor is cheaper than US. Our quality parameters are similar to US. We have convinced them, we have showed them that how our CNC machines can cut and weld materials on the same US parameters, and because of that only the cost was less. Once that project was successfully delivered, during the completion of that project, they awarded a new project to us which was of a double size than the previous. And we are very happy to tell you that now the journey is going on. We are building a steel building, we are building houses there. So why New Life? Because New Life has an international exposure. We are working not only in US, in Canada also, in UK also. So because of this, our international exposure, they were confident and they delivered a project to us. And we have an understanding of international codes, and that is why we successfully designed that project and get vetted from that. And other thing is price sensitivity. New Life has executed the project, as I have told you, in a 40% of the cost, just because our labor, our material is cheaper. So there is a big scope that we can provide, we can deliver our projects from here to US, Canada, UK, everywhere. So that line is continued, and New Life is confident and delivering the projects.